Reaction is still pouring in just one day after Arizona's Republican Attorney General Mark Brnovich tweeted his plan to reinstate a 1901 territorial-era law that bans virtually all abortions across the Grand Canyon state. News 11's Jacqueline Aguilar joins us with what a doctor and the president of Planned Parenthood Arizona want the Attorney General to know.
The announcement still left many confused as to what the current abortion laws are in Arizona. President and CEO of Planned Parenthood Arizona, Brittany Fontano, says the Attorney General's tweet has only caused more confusion to women in the state, saying patients are rolling into the Planned Parenthood clinic in Tempe asking what their reproductive rights are. Fontano says they unfortunately are having to navigate patients to clinics outside of the state.
We are still seeing patients come in and they aren't aware of what the legal status is of abortion in Arizona.
Protesters at the ongoing pro-choice demonstration are taking issue with the AG's plan to reinstate the 1901 abortion law.
If you're forced to have a baby and you can't pay for the baby, then you're giving the baby a life into poverty.
Although I am currently pregnant, I would still like the option to have an abortion, especially if I don't feel mentally or financially ready to carry a baby.
It will affect everyone around you, and I think that we need to start fighting back and something needs to be done.
If all they want is a child born, but not a child fed, not a child housed or educated, that's not pro-life, that's pro-birth.
While nothing has been filed yet, the Attorney General says he will soon ask the court to lift an injunction on the old abortion law. A group of Arizona doctors is speaking out following this latest development. Tucson doctor Katie Harrell says it's all politics.
The Attorney General is just playing politics right now with the personal health decisions of Arizonans and their ability to make medical decisions with their physicians.
In March, Arizona Governor Doug Ducey signed a 15-week abortion ban that allows an abortion if the mother's life is at risk, but no exceptions for victims of rape and incest. If this old law is put in place, it would override the law Ducey signed earlier this year. The Arizona Department of Health Services reports that in 2020, there were 13,000 abortions, with over 90% of them performed under just 15 weeks. Reporting in Yuma, I'm Jacqueline Aguilar.